Spine straight. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in. Hold it there. Om. Om. ॐ श्री गणेशाय नमः। ॐ श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवम् सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरम् यो अन्तः प्रविश्य मम वाचमिमां प्रसुप्तां सञ्जीवयत्यखिलशक्तिधरस्वधाम्ना अन्यांश्च हस्तचरणश्रवणत्वगादीन् प्राणान्नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यम् प्राणान्नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यम् ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ॐ श्री परमात्मने नमः। अथ गीताध्यानम्। ॐ पार्थाय प्रतिबोधितां भगवता नारायणेन स्वयं व्यासेन ग्रथितां पुराणमुनिना मध्ये महाभारतम् अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणीं भगवतीम् अष्टादशाध्यायिनीम् अम्ब त्वामनुसन्दधामि भगवद्गीते भवद्वेषिणीम्। नमोऽस्तु ते व्यासविशालबुद्धे फुल्लारविन्दायतपत्रनेत्र येन त्वया भारततैलपूर्णः प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमयः प्रदीपः प्रपन्नपारिजाताय स्तोत्रवेत्रैकपाणये ज्ञानमुद्राय कृष्णाय गीतामृतदुहे नमः। सर्वोपनिषदो गावः दोग्धा गोपालनन्दनः पार्थो वत्सः सुधीर्भोक्ता दुग्धं गीतामृतं महत् वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं भीष्मद्रोणतटा जयद्रथजला गान्धारनीलोत्पलाः शल्यग्राहवती कृपेण वहनी कर्णेन वेलाकुलाः अश्वत्थामविकर्णघोरमकरा दुर्योधनावर्तिनी सोत्तीर्णा खलु पाण्डवैरणनदी कैवर्तकः केशवः पाराशर्यवचः सरोजममलम् गीतार्थगन्धोत्कटम् नानाख्यानककेसरं हरिकथा सम्बोधना बोधितम् लोके सज्जन षट्पदैरहरहः पेपीयमानं मुदा भूयाद् भारत पङ्कजं कलिमलप्रध्वंसि न श्रेयसे मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुल्लङ्घयते गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम् यं ब्रह्मा वरुणेन्द्ररुद्रमरुतः स्तुन्वन्ति दिव्यैस्तवैः वेदैः साङ्गपदक्रमोपनिषदैः गायन्ति यं सामगाः ध्यानावस्थिततद्गतेन मनसा पश्यन्ति यं योगिनः यस्यान्तन्न विदुः सुरासुरगणाः देवाय तस्मै नमः देवाय तस्मै नमः Pranams to the Lord. Pranams to all the Mahatmas in tonight's Gita session. We're trying to grasp bit of Sanskrit with bit of Gita. And we've traveled across 6 chapters, entered 7 chapters, of which 5 verses we have completed. Just chant those 5 verses and get our thoughts assimilated in line with what we are going to do today. ॐ श्री परमात्मने नमः अथ सप्तमोऽध्यायः ज्ञानविज्ञानयोगः श्रीभगवानुवाच मय्यासक्तमनाः पार्थ योगं युञ्जन्मदाश्रयः असंशयं समग्रं मां यथा ज्ञास्यसि तच्छृणु ज्ञानं तेऽहं सविज्ञानम् इदं वक्ष्याम्यशेषतः यज्ञात्वा नेह भूयोऽन्यत् ज्ञातव्यमवशिष्यते मनुष्याणां सहस्रेषु कश्चिद्यतति सिद्धये यततामपि सिद्धानां कश्चिन्मां वेत्ति तत्त्वतः भूमिरापो नलो वायुः खं मनो बुद्धिरेव च अहङ्कार इतीयं मे भिन्ना प्रकृतिरष्टधा अपरेयमितस्त्वन्यां प्रकृतिं विद्धि मे परां जीवभूता महाबाहो ययेदं धार्यते जगत्. We have seen till here. So Lord has promised Arjuna that I'll give you the jnanam with vijnanam. Jnanam sa vijnanam. I will tell you that once you know that, there won't be anything else left to be. Yat jnatva bhuyaha anyat jnatavyam na avashishyate. There won't be anything balance that to know. And he also said that so many people strive, but only few last in their sadhana, and who last also in that, some stray person only comes and knows to the knowledge. Stray person means some rare person only comes to the fulfillment. Not all reach realizing. Then in the 4th verse, we get Lord's Ashtadha Prakriti. It's the best way to understand that whatever we see in and across the universe, everything is from the Lord only. There is no better sentence than this when Lord said that it is Bhumihi, Apaha, Analaha, Vayuhu, Kham, Manaha, Buddhi, Ankara, Itiyam me Bhinna Prakriti. Is from all from the Lord only. So the base and the foundation itself says that everything that comes from Lord means Lord has manifested into a universe. So universe is manifestation. So we can't minus Lord from it. So that means we will have to tune our eyesight to see divinity in everything and everyone. We miss the point at the base. That's why when we go ahead, we find it difficult that how to get the Advaita, that's oneness. Oneness is like this, the starting point of the universe is itself. Lord has assured that it is His form. And then therein he talks about the Paraprakriti and Aparaprakriti. And this is what is holding the whole universe. That is His power. With this thought line, let us continue with verse number 6. Arunji. Etadhyonini bhutani
एतद्योनीनि भूतानि
सर्वाणीत्युपधारय
सर्वाणीत्युपधारय
अहं कृत्स्नस्य जगतः
अहं कृत्स्नस्य जगतः
प्रभवः प्रलयस्तथा
प्रभवः प्रलयस्तथा एतद्योनीनि भूतानि सर्वाणीत्युपधारय अहं कृष्णस्य जगतः प्रभवः प्रलयस्तथा.
Yes. Let us see the Padacheda. Etadyonini. What happens over there?
Etat plus yonini.
Correct.
And
What
this
Sandhi?
is Jashatva. Ta has
No.
become the.
Correct. Yes. Just Sandhi. Yes. Yes. Correct. Then Bhutani asati sarvani tyupadharaya. What happens over there?
So this is the mixture of three words: sarvani plus iti plus updharaya.
Correct. So what are
So
those Sandhi?
first is Varndig, second is Yan.
Correct.
E and
Yes.
U become.
Sarvani is any short, iti is e short, initi has happened, ni has become dirgha, savarna dirgha has
Right.
happened. It
Right.
is three and upadhari as u, e and u has joined to form ya.
Yeah.
Good. With it had then aham as it is kritsnasya shashti jagataha prabhavaha pralayaha plus tatha visarga sakara has
Visargas.
happened. Padartha now we will see. Artha Etad yonini. So, yonini, with dvivachan it is, which parayana para. Etad yoni. Yoni is the seat from where something is born. This is the yoni from where the universe is born. These two prakritis. Bhutani, yonini bhutani. Of all the bhutas, whatever are there, this is the yoni. All the bhutas are born from this aspect. Sarvani, of all the bhutas, iti upadharaya, hold on to this thought that whoever, whatever is born in this universe is born from this womb, my womb. What? Parayana para, these two faculties. Aham, see, Kritsnasya jagataha of the world. Of the world, Shashti jagataha, of that Krishna has become the adjective, so it is also getting Shashti Vibhakti of the entire world. Krishna means as whole. Of the entire world, Prabhavaha. Prabhava is from where things are born. That means what is the source. And Pralayaha, where means all things are going to get destructed. So please know this, that from where the things are born, that source, and from where means the Prabhavasthana, and where the things are how I'm going to end, the Pralayasthana of this entire universe, I am the cause of it. Because of the Lord, the world is there, and world is also destructed because of the Lord. It's only in a standpoint view, the birth and the death is there. Otherwise, everything is infinite. Standpoint, birth happens and goes. In chapter 2, we have seen that. It is expression. No? Right now, there are so many lights over here in this room, in your room also. Electricity we don't see. But the bulb is glowing, the fan is running. Expression. Whether it is you get the wind or you get the light, the source is that electricity. Instrument outside is different. So we see two different things. One instrument is giving light, another instrument is giving wind, air, keeping the room cool or we are not sleeping. Expression is different. Usage, practical purpose is different. But the source of its functioning is that same electricity, of which electricity we are not seeing. But we see the electricity's expression. Bhagwan we don't see. We see it in different people, animals, birds, things, expressions. Utility value would be different. My son I love the most. My neighbor's son I need not love. We have the division in our head. We should now bring and train our mind into the thought that even my worst enemy is expression of the Lord only. Nothing happens to the enemy, but my thought process changes. I evolve, I rise. I don't hold on. Because now this verse is telling me that Sarvani Bhutani Etadyoni Aham Krishnasya Jagataha Prabhavaha Pralayaha Aham Bhinna Me Prakritihi. My Prakriti. So when we have got such solid words from none other than Lord Himself, why we should doubt? Or why should we ask for more proofs? We should just convince our mind that this is what our Shastra says. Now let me expand my vision and awareness and grow and evolve with it. Eventually I will see the truth into it. So I see the Shastra not with the doubt, but with the conviction, the firm faith. And then later on it will dawn. Gita is Bhagavad Gita. What Lord has sung, Bhagavad Gita. Gita sung by the Lord. So when Lord is telling to Arjuna, He is telling to us. So we don't have to ask for what proof. My mother-in-law, you were there or not? What proof in this person you are there? Lord is there. Now work backwards. Strengthen the thought. Office he gets promotion. This one is politically. I have to soak that HR and I have to soak the CEO. Then my promotion would be fine. Otherwise, this one is a block and that one is something else. We've got so many things to deal with the world. And then, down the line, our thoughts get poisoned. And we get trained to live with poisoned thoughts. So world, we will deal with the world, but not with the poisoned thoughts. Where we have to be harsh, strict, firm, there we would be, but not with my poisoned thoughts. We take it as expression of the Lord and then deal with the world. So that would be a difference between a sadhaka and any other person. Where we have to be firm, where we have to be strict. What we have to do, that we would still have to continue to do. Paramarthata and Jagat, we can't be mixing, oh, I am become devotee, so I can't harm, and then you can stamp over me and go. It is not that. It is I act from the standpoint that it is Bhagwan's expression only. But I deal with that firmness of what it is needed. Otherwise, then there should not be any police, there should not be any defense system, there should not be. No, it's not like that. What we have to stand for, the value we have to. Bhagwan is not saying, okay, Arjuna, you drop the weapon and just give it off. Yeah, why you want to sit and fight? That is not being taught. Where it is dharma, you'll have to stand for dharma. But sometimes we mistake dharma with our like and dislike, our mental texture. That we have to change. So we can't be fully honest with that. So that's a very fine. This is what the verse is talking about. एतद्योनीनि भूतानि सर्वा एतद्योनीनि भूतानि सर्वाणीत्युपधारय अहं कृत्स्नस्य जगतः प्रभवः प्रलयस्तथा. Sumitaji, number 7. Mattah paratarannanyat.
मत्तः परन्तरन्नान्यम्
Not parantaram. Paratarannanyat.
मत्तः Paratarannanya.
Nanyat. Ta is there, ma. Ta is there.
Mattah Paratarannanyat.
किञ्चिदस्ति धनञ्जय
Kinchidasti Dhananjaya.
मयि सर्वमिदं प्रोतम्
Mai sarvamidam protam.
सूत्रे मणिगणा इव
Sutre manigana iva. Mattah Paratarannanyat. Kinchidasti Dhananjaya. Mai sarvamidam protam. Sutre manigana iva.
One of the very beautiful verse, often quoted, even if you don't memorize the whole chapter. This kind of verse phrases we should memorize and keep. What kind? We will see in a while. Let us see the Padacheda first. Mattaha, Paratara, as it is. Nanyat, as it is. Kinchidasti. What happens over there?
The way I've written is that Nanya Kinchidasti, I've broken into Na plus Anyat. Is
Okay,
that not correct?
correct.
Okay.
Nanyat is na and
Na
anyat,
plus
correct.
Anyat plus Kinchit plus Asti.
Correct.
So Na plus Anyat is Swarndirgh.
Correct.
And after that, Anyat plus Kinchit is a normal mixture. There is no
Yes,
Sandhi.
correct.
And then after that is Asti. So Ta has converted into Da. So it's a just
Correct.
Sandhi.
Perfect. Correct. Kinchit, it's the. The has
Yes.
become the kinchidasti. So it is kinchit plus asti. The third alphabet, kinchashatvaru. Perfect. The first line over. Mai sarvam idam, just join. Protam sutre manigana iva.
Iva.
Everything is as it
As
is.
it is.
No. Manigana, ha. There is visarga. Visarga's lopa has happened over there.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Visarga's lopa has happened because there is a swara after that. Visarga. E has come. E is a swar. So whenever a swar follows after a visarga, that visarga's lopa happens. So manigana is a plural and visarga has disappeared over.
Mhm.
Okay. Visargasya lopa. Now let us see the padartha. Mattaha. What vibhakti? Of what shabda?
So I think it's Aham
Yes. Shabda is Asmad Shabda.
Asmat Shabda, and it's comparing, comparative one.
Yes. Yes. So
Panchami.
what vibhakti?
Panchami.
Yes, Panchami. But what is Panchami? Actually, Panchami of Asmat Shabda is what?
Mat. Mat.
Mat.
Mat.
So then mat is the original word. Original Panchami. Mattaha. What has happened over here?
Mat.
Is it Bahuvachan?
No. So it is that Panchami where any word we can take and put taha, it will become Panchami.
Oh.
So this is one, we have learned this rule. So taha, you have to, so it is a mat and then taha is added to show Panchami for any, irrespective of pulling or napunsakalinga. So devataha, if you will do instead of devat, means from God. Devataha. Phalataha, from fruit. So when we add a taha, it becomes Panchami. Very simple, no need to remember Vibhakti, and we can make of any word this Panchami Vibhakti. So, mat taha, from me or other than me in that comparison. Parataram. Parataram is highest. Taratama bhava, comparative. So other than me, from me, higher. Na anyat. There is nothing. Kinchit. Nothing at all. Asti. O Dhananjaya. O Arjuna. Higher than me, there is nothing. Other than me, higher than me, there is nothing. Why? Mai. Mai is what vibhakti.
In me.
Yeah. So what vibhakti? What vibhakti of what shabda?
Asmat.
Asmat shabdas?
Saptam vibhakti.
Saptami it is. Saptami. Mai. In me. Saptami. Ekvachan. Now let us read again that aham shabda. Asmat shabda. Who's going to read it?
I read it.
Yes.
Aham avam vayam pratama, mam ma avam now, asman naha, dvitiya, maya avabhyam, asmabhihi tritiya, mahyam me avabhyam now, asmabhyam naha, chaturthi, mat avabhyam, asmat, panchami, mama me avabhyoho now,
Avayoho.
sorry, avayoho now, asmakam naha, shashti. No, shashti. Okay.
Yes.
Mai avayoho asmasu, saptami.
So that mai avayoho asma. So that mai, that is saptami in me, singular. So I think by next week everybody should memorize this Asvat Shabda is keeping on coming because Bhagwan is going to talk about him. This whole 7 to 12 chapter is about the Tat Pada happening. So he will talk about himself. And when he'll address himself, this Asmat Shabda would be used. So somewhere we should, maybe I'll just keep one audio in the group, which I was supposed to keep long back. I'll just chant and keep, you all just play it. Just listen to it 1 or 2 times a day. Within 1 week it will happen. Aham avam vayam prathamam avam navakasvarnah ditya maya avam asmadhi vitrya. It should go on. Huh? Just like that it should strike. Or else, even if you've not memorized, by seeing that word, you should know. Oh, asmakam is shashti and asmasu is sapta. Avayoha is dvivacham. Like that, it should come. It should be just natural. It should be just like your breath. Hmm? Because Lord is going to use this many times now. So, mai, in me, sarvam idam. Whatever is this, whatever you see out in the universe, all this, whatever you see, idam, all. Protam. Protam is stitched, strung. Protam. It is stitched all in me. And then this simile is given. Like is where? Eva. Like sutre, deve, saptami. Vane, saptami. Maniganaha. Maniganaha is plural of mani. All different kinds of gems, stones, they are strung in a mala. In a mala, all of us swear, strings are not seen, whether it is a flower mala or mala of gold monies, pearl string, whatever monies we wear. String is not seen anywhere. But because of that string, that mala is existing. However, a pearl can be expensive and beautiful. If it has to be woven into a mala, one string, it has to be passed through it to make it a mala. On its own, the pearl will not have an existence as a mala. The whole world is this chain of this mala. The whole thing is woven, interwoven. doesn't have its separate thing as such. You see the world as a whole. Mountains are there, trees are there, animals are there, birds are there, insects are there. Several things are all together into it. Standalone everything is not a one. Standalone a tree is not a forest. But every tree is important to be the forest. Group of trees is a forest. One single tree is not a forest. But every single tree is important to make it a forest. One tree can shelter probably one bird, few birds. That entire forest would shelter not just one family of birds, so many different species, and those families would be. One tree cannot shelter animals. The entire forest as a whole is sheltering different kinds of animals, and they have their own territories in that. They keep the markings on those different trees. One tree is not doing anything. One tree will not stop a cloud. One tree will not stop a soil erosion. A combination. That one tree is important. And the combination is making the solid effect. The combination of the whole forest is stopping it, holding the ground, preventing the soil, hosting all the birds and animals. The entire universe is supporting us. And we think because of us the universe exists. So what a stupid reverse thought, right? It's like the lion will say that I am, because of me, I am the king of the forest. So this forest is, the forest is supported. I'm being supported by the universe. I'm a part of the universe. I'm not over and above the universe. Only humans have forgotten. I am above the universe. I am above somebody. I am above this. But my mere existence is on that sutra. Pearl can be talking that I am making the neck look so beautiful. But your existence is on that sutra which is not seen. We are all held together by that unseen thread. There is a boss above us, not seen. Which Lord has said over here. Now, which highest word we need? That Mai Sarvam Idam Protam. All these world, what universe you are talking about, everything is stitched into me. Like that thread which passes through all the pearls or beads or the flowers to make a mala, to make a garland, to make a necklace. Thread is not seen. Mala exists. We exist. We exist because of the higher support system we have. Individual existence is not given. So one against many. The whole thing is held by the Lord. We are one part of that massive universe. Several things are there in the universe. We are one bead into that. One bead. We are one part. Our importance is there. One tree's importance is there. That entire thing which is holding together, it is having a higher importance. That unseen sutra. So this Sutre Manigana Iva, mark that phrase to keep on reminding. Lord has said that. Lord is that thread which keeps all the Maniganas together. Mattah paratarannanyat kinchidasti dhananjaya mai sarvamidam protam sutre manigana iva. Gayatri ji, number 8. Rasohamapsu kaunteya
Rasohamapsu kaunteya
prabhasmi shashi suryayoho
प्रभास्मि शशिसूर्ययोः
प्रणवः सर्ववेदेषु
प्रणवः सर्ववेदेषु
शब्दखे पौरुषं नृषु
शब्दः के पौरुषनृषु
The next verse also. पुण्यो गन्धः पृथिव्यां च
पुण्यो गन्धः पृथिव्यां च
तेजश्चास्मि विभावसौ
तेजस्वास्मि
तेजस्वानो तेजश्चास्मि
तेजश्चास्मि विभावसौ
जीवनं सर्वभूतेषु
जीवनं सर्वभूतेषु
तपश्चास्मि तपस्विषु
तपश्चास्मि तपस्वसु वसु
वशु न तपस्विषु
तपश्चास्मि तपस्विषु विषु
तपस्वी तपस्विषु
तपस्विषु तपस्विषु
शॉर्ट
तपस्विषु रसोऽहमप्सु कौन्तेय प्रभास्मि शशिसूर्ययोः प्रणवः सर्ववेदेषु सप्तः खे पौरुषनृषु पुण्यो गन्धः पृथिव्यां च तेजश्चास्मि विभावसौ जीवनं सर्वभूतेषु तपश्चास्मि तपस्विषु
तपस्विषु
विषु
तपस्विषु
ओके तपस्विषु
Dirgha it is not there.
Hmm.
Never mind.
तपस्विषु sorry
Tapasvishu. Let's do the Padacheda first. Rasoham apsu. What is there?
पूर्वरूप सन्ति रसः प्लस अंसु
Rasaha plus aham plus
अहम
apsu. Apsu is Saptami Vibhakti. Apsu. Kaunteya as it is. Prabhasmi. Prabha plus asmi. Savarna Dirgha. Shashi Surya Yoho. Vivachan it is. Pranavaha as it is. Sarva Vedeshu as it is. Shabdaha as it is. Khe as it is. Paurusham as it is. Nurushu as it is. Punyo. Punyaha. Visarga. Gandhaha. Prithivyaam as it is. Cha. Tejas chasmi. What happens over there?
तेजः प्लस चा प्लस अस्मि
Cha, Tejaha plus Cha plus Asmi. What are the sandhis? Names?
तेज विसर्ग रेपः तेजः
Shakara. When not Visarga's rate, there is no Ra over there.
ओ तेजः
Then?
विसर्ग सन्ति
Then?
चास्मि सवर्ण दीर्घ
Yeah, Cha plus As. Good. Vibhavasau as it is. Jivanam Sarvabhuteshu as it is. Tapaschasmi same. Visarga Sandhi, Savarna Durga Sandhi. Tapasvishu same as it is. Saptami. So why we are combining this? Because Lord is telling, because he told Bhinna Prakruti Rashtadha, right? Then now of all those elements he is taking and telling that quality of that is Lord only. We'll see the Padartha. Rasaha aham apsu. Apsu in water, in up. Saptami of that in water. Look. Rasaha aham. I am the taste. Sapidity of water. O Kaunteya, O Arjuna. Prabha aham asmi. I am the Prabha, that light of in what? Shashi Surya Yoho. Saptami, Dvivachal. In Shashi and Surya, whatever light you see, aham asmi, aham, that Prabha. So that rasaha aham apsut, that aham shabda, we will take Prabha aham Shashi Surya Yoho. He is that. Then what? Pranavaha sarva vedeshu. Vedeshu, like deveshu. In all the Vedas, I am that Pranava. Pranava is Omkara. Shabdaha Khe. Khe is that Kham Shabda Saptami. Like 1A. Khe. Kham Shabda Saptami. Khe. In the sky, in the Akasha, I am the Shabda. Shabda is Panchatanmatra of Akasha. Right? Sparsha is of Vayu. Rupa is of Teja. Rasa of water. Gandha is of Prithvi. We remember, right? Shabda, Sparsha, Rupa, Rasa, Gandha. Remember, right? The Panchatanmatras. Yes or no? Forgot it.
Yes.
Remember? Yes. Okay. So now Shabdaha of K. In the Akasha, I am the Shabda. Paurusham Drishu. Drishu is the Drishabda Saptami. In all the men, I am the Paurushatva. In the men. Paurush. Manliness. In the men. Prithivya. In the Prithvi, I am that Gandhaha, Punyaha Gandhaha, that smell, the pleasant smell of the earth. I am that smell. Vibhavasau, in the Vibha, means in that fire, I am the Tejaha of that fire. Sarva Bhuteshu Jivanam. Of all the Bhutas and all the living beings, I am that Jivanam, life force behind all the Bhutas. Tapahacha ahamasmi. In who? Tapasvishu. In all the austere, in all the on all those great men who are in that tapa, I am that tapa. I am that austerity of the austere. Means what is not Lord then? What is not Lord? Lord is everything. Rasaha aham, prabha aham, pranavaha aham, shabdaha aham, paurushat aham, gandha aham, tejaha. Jivanam itself I have. Tapaha. Such beautiful. How much clarity. Everything is Lord. What is not Lord then? Everything is Lord. He's saying, breaking it down so beautifully. Every aspect is being touched. Nothing is left. Rasohamapsu kaunteya prabhasmi shashi suryayoho pranava sarva vedeshu shabda khe paurushandrishu punyo gandhav prithivyancha tejaschasmi vibhavasau jivanam sarva bhuteshu tapaschasmi tapasvishu. Okay, let's go ahead.
So, one question, Dr. Bashir. So you said K is Saptami of Kam, and Kam means Akash.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah. Kam means Akash. Let's go ahead, Arunji, with you for the 10th verse. Bijam mam sarva bhutanam
Bijam mam sarva bhutanam
Vidhi partha sanatanam
Vidhi Partha Sanatanam.
So vidhi, don't pause. Vidhi partha.
Vidhi Partha Sanatanam.
Correct. Buddhir buddhimatam asmi.
Buddhir Buddhimatam Asmi.
Tejas tejasvinamaham.
Tejasvinamaham.
Continue next one. Balam balavatam asmi.
Balam
Oh, sorry. Yeah. Balam balavata. Huh?
Chaham. Balam Balvata
Balam
Chaham.
balavatam asmi. Yeah. But
No,
balavatam asmi is there or balavatam chaham is there?
Balvatam Chaham. That's what I have.
Chaham is there.
Chaham.
Balavata.
Chaham.
Because in Gurudev's thing, so because I memorized Balam Balavatam Chaham, but in the text I'm saying Balavatam Asmi, so this is something wrong. Balam Balavatam Chah, because the text is saying Balavatam Asmi. No.
Yeah.
So there
No,
my finger
no,
is no, I can't. I
it's
can't.
okay. What you say is correct.
Balavatam Chasmi written in the text, but I've memorized as Chaham, so
Yeah.
trying to figure out what.
Yeah.
So yeah, here it is Chasmi. So it is saying Chasmi, but it is not actually Chasmi. Chaham. Balam Balavatan Chaham.
Balam Balvatam Chaham.
Balvatam, you should not say Bala only, you should say Lawful. Balam Balavatan Chaham.
Balam Balvatam
So no, don't
Chaham.
say Balvatam, Balavatam.
Balvatam Chaham.
So say that whole thing again.
Balam Balvatam Chaham.
Balvatam, you're saying, no? Balavatam.
Balvatam.
Bala.
Bala.
Yeah.
I'm not saying lawful.
Correct. Yeah, you're not saying lawful.
Okay. Balam Balavatam Chaham.
Correct. Now it is full. Kamaraga Vivarjitam.
Kamaraga Vivarjitam.
Dharma Viruddho Bhuteshu.
Dharma Viruddha Bhuteshu.
Kamosmi Bharatarshabha.
Kamosmi Bharatarshava.
Both these words.
Bijam Mam Sarva Bhutanam. Vidhi Partha Sanatanam. Buddhir Buddhimatam Asmi. Tejas Tejasvi Namaham. Balam Balavatam Chaham. Kamaraga Vivarjitam. Dharma Viruddho Bhuteshu. Kamosmi Bharatarshava.
Bharatarshabha, no? Bharatarshabha is full.
Bharatarshava.
Yes. So let us break down. Bijam, Mam, Sarvabhutanam, Vidhi Partha Sanatanam, all independent words, no sandhi there. Buddhir Buddhimatam Asmi. What happens over there?
So this is Buddhihi plus Buddhi. So Visarga has, Repa Sandhi, Visarga Repa Sandhi.
Yeah.
So Buddhi.
Buddhir, Buddhi, no? Buddhir, Buddhimatam. Buddhimatam is one word.
One word, right.
Buddhimatam is one word.
Yeah.
Buddhimatam Asmi. That
Asmi.
has just joined that. Huh? Then what
Right.
happens to Tejas, Tejasvi Namaham?
So that's Tejaha plus
Yes.
Tejasvi Nam plus Aham. Similar way. So
Yes.
Tej is Tejaha and Tejasvi Nam is Visarga.
So in the first case, it was Visarga's Repha. In the second case, Visarga's
Visarga
Sakara.
Sakara.
Correct. What happens in Balam Balavatam Asmi? No, sandhi.
Balam Balavata Chaham.
Yeah. Balam Balavatam Chaham.
So
Chaham.
cha plus aham, this is Swarandirg.
Yeah. Then Kamaraga Vivarjitam as it is. Dharma Viruddho. What is over there?
Dharma viruddho is one word only. You have
yeah.
to say dharma viruddho.
So
Aviruddha of dharma.
this is dharam plus avriddho. So
Yeah.
there's a swarna dirgha here.
Yes. No, there is no savarna dirgha.
I see.
Because that is a samasa word. It's not only
Okay,
dharma.
samas word. Okay.
Bhuteshu, as it is, saptami. Kamosmi, what happens over there?
This is kamaha plus asmi. Again,
Yes.
visarga purav.
Bharatarshava, as it is. Now let's see the padarthas over there. Bijam mam sarva bhutanam. Shashti. Of all the bhutas, I am the bij, I am the seed from where all the bhutas are. Huh? Vidhi. O Partha, better you know. O Arjuna, Sanatana, eternal. Buddhihi, buddhimatam. I am the buddhi in all the intellect people. Tejaha, tejasvinam. Amongst all the tejasvis, I am the teja. Balam, balavatam chaha. The bala, the strength of all the powerful men. It is the strength in the powerful men. I am that power. But it's not I'm proud of. Kamaraga vivarjita. The desire and the attachment. Mamatva and ahamta is not there. I mean, mine is not there. And dharma viruddha. Again, I'm not opposite of dharma. Means I am the dharma. In all the bhutas. Kamaha asmi. The desire. That desire is me. O Bharatarshava, the best of the Bharatas, please know this is my nature. This is what I am. So Lord is trying to give every aspect of a personality and he's breaking it down. It's not just the things and human beings and animals and birds. It's the traits also that is Lord. All kinds of traits. Intelligence is there. Tejas is there. Bala is there. And, we'll take one more verse and then we can pause. Okay, I have to read this. Bijam mam sarva bhutanam vidhi partha sanatanam buddhir buddhimatam asmi tejas tejasvinamaham balam balavatam chaham kamaraga vivarjitam dharma viruddho bhuteshu kamosmi bharatarshava. Sunita ji, let's do the last verse for you. Ye chaiva satvika bhavaha. Ye chaiva satvika bhavaha.
Rajasastamasa
Rajasastamasascha te.
tamasascha ye.
Ye chaiva satvika bhavaha. Rajasastamasascha e.
Ye. Matta eveti tan vidhi.
Matta eveti tan vidhi.
Natvahanteshu te mahi.
Nattvahanteshu te mayi. Echaiva satvika bhavaha rajasastamasascha e matta eveti tan vidhi nattvahanteshu te mayi.
Very good. So, all these positive things that we have seen, Bala, Teja, all these, Ye Chaiva, all these, whatever are the Satvika Bhavas. Apart from that, he is also the Rajasa and Tamasa Bhava, whatever is there, Mattaha, that Visarga's Lopa. Oh, we didn't do the Padache, then Padartha. Okay, in a while we'll do. Mattaha, because there is a Swara over there. Visarga has gone. But Visarga's Lopa has happened. Mattaha, from me only. Eva iti, from me only. Tan Vidhi, you better know that all these bhavas, whether it's Sattvic, Rajasic or Tamasic, they are from me only. Na tu aham teshu te mai. It's not that I am in them, but they are in. These bhavas are in me. I am not in them. So, ye chaiva, cha plus eva, chaiva, what sandhi?
Vriddhi.
Vriddhi. A has become I. So, vriddhi has happened over there. Satvikaha, bhavaha, all these are Visarga's lopa has happened. Then Rajasaha, Tamasaha. The first Rajasas, Visarga Sakara. Tamasaha, Cha. So Shakara has happened. Chaye. Mattaha, Visarga's Lopa has happened. Eveti, what is over there, Sandhi?
Ev plus iti.
Correct.
Eva
Eva plus iti, what name?
Vriddhi Sandhi.
No? Vriddhi? Guna.
Guna sandhi.
Oh no. Okay.
Guna Sandhi. Matta eveti tan vidhi. Better know that. Natvaham. Tu plus aham. Twa has happened. What is that, Sandhi?
Yan sandhi.
Yan Sandhi. Teshu saptami and te mai. They are not me, but they are in me. Okay. So with this, let's pause for today. And please revise the verses. Please read Gurudev's commentary and come. It will be so beautiful. Solidify this knowledge. When we reread what we learn, what we read, if we reread that, that knowledge gets assimilated into us. And if we keep rereading, the knowledge becomes ours. So let's reread. We might know, but we might not pick up that yet. So that has to assimilate in science. Maybe say, chew the food well so that it will digest well. So like if you have to chew on the knowledge well, so it digests well. A digested food can become a part of our body. It can build our muscles, bones, brain, organs. It will give us nutrients. Otherwise, it will remain there as undigested material. Like that, the knowledge, if it is well chewed, it will assimilate inside us. We will benefit out of that. Otherwise, it remains as an undigested material. Half knowledge, so harmful to the body, poisonous to the body. Like the food is. Undigested food is poisons. Let's end today's session. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Hari Om everyone. Thank you for
Hari Om.
joining.
Thank you very
Thank you
much.
so much. Thank you very much.
Thank
Hari
you.
Om ji. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Hari Om. So, Neetaji, you can stay online for a while. I'll just stop the recording.